Hey, this is Brennan Galley, and today I'm answering a bunch of YouTube questions on the MPC. All of the videos I shoot, they apply to the MPC X, the MPC Live, or the MPC Touch. I have the X because it has a nice big screen, so you can see a lot at home when I'm shooting these videos. So let's do this next question that I had. It was asking if I could show Q-Link automation in my list edit mode. So let's record down something. And actually, before we do that, I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to turn on my quantize just to make it tight right off the bat. So I'm going to go do another track. I'm going to add another kick. So let's go. So now that kick there, I want to automate the pitch. So I could do that from this window if I wanted to. I just press pad scene, and then I have my tuning. So if I wanted to record that here, I just do my right up there. But I can also double tap here for list edit, and now I still have my automation tab up top. So let's engage that. And then we're going to do some tuning. Now I'm going to switch it over from right, and now you can see that I have all the tuning that's been captured. So now I can do refined control. And I can change all these little ticks. And there's quite a few of them. It's nice that it's all color-coded as well, so that I can quickly see what I was doing in different sections. And you'll see it will pass by, so I can see that as well. So I hope that that shows you how you can still record your automation even in list edit mode, and then you'll have all these little options where you can make refined adjustments afterwards. Thanks a lot for the questions. If you have any more, please leave them below, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.